In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview your survey before sending. Before you share a survey with your audience, it's essential to see it exactly the way your respondents will. A quick preview helps you catch typos, confusing wording, formatting hiccups, and any elements that might interrupt the flow. It's the fastest way to get peace of mind that everything looks and behaves the way you intended. Here's how it works. Click the preview button to open the survey in a new tab to see it as respondents will. That's it. The preview opens separately so your editing workspace stays intact while you look around. In this preview, you'll see your survey's real layout, including your branding, colors, fonts, question order, and any page breaks. You'll also see the same navigation controls and progress indicators that participants will experience, so you can confirm the pacing feels smooth and intuitive. As you read through the preview, take it slowly and experience it like a first-time respondent. Pay attention to clarity. Do your instructions make sense without extra context? Are the questions concise but specific enough to avoid guesswork? Look for consistency in wording and capitalization, and make sure answer choices are parallel and unambiguous. If you use scales, verify that labels are visible and distinct, and that the direction of the scale feels natural. Formatting matters too. Check that long questions wrap neatly, that images and media appear as expected, and that spacing between items keeps the screen from feeling crowded. Ensure any required questions are clearly marked so participants know what must be answered before moving on. If your survey includes conditional logic, the preview reflects the same paths respondents will follow, helping you confirm that questions appear only when relevant. Consider accessibility and readability. Text should be easy to read, with clear contrast against the background. Links should be descriptive and obviously clickable. If your survey spans several pages, make sure section titles are informative, and that the overall flow tells a coherent story from start to finish. When you're satisfied with what you see in the preview, you'll feel more confident about sending your survey to real respondents. A minute spent here can save hours of fixes later, reduce drop-offs, and improve the quality of your data. So remember, click the preview button, view your survey in a new tab, and give it a thoughtful pass as if you were taking it yourself. That's the simplest, most reliable way to ensure your survey is ready to go.